Hey all, welcome back to the DiaBeautyBlossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with the fab bag for the month of June, and to be frank, I really like this bag. It's so nice. The quality of the bag is so nice compared to other fab bags. I have already mentioned in many of my fab bag unboxing that the quality is not really great, but that's okay. You get the bag free along with the products with such an affordable subscription cost. But this time the bag quality is really nice. You can see it's kind of fox leather and it's really nice. It's not small or big, it's good, handy. You can put a lot of things inside it and put it in your bag if you're going to office, school or college, or you're traveling. It's really nice. And then all the products are here. Let me open everything and then we'll see what we have. We have 3 different cards here. The first one which says about the month. This month theme is all she needs, and then it has all the details here of the products. So we have another card which says Blossom Code to Aroma Magic 20% off, and you have this coupon code which is fab0620, and then you can redeem it online for any minimum amount of 799 rupees. So that's the card. And also it says they have been nominated in FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2018. They're proud glowing skin partner. So that's there. And the next card is about every month fab bag contest on how to participate and all. So these are the 3 cards which we got. The star product of this month's box is this a new launch. It's not a recent launch, but they have added these new colors in their collection. So you can either select a liquid lipstick or a creme lipstick. I picked up this one because I already have a couple of liquid lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics. So this one is Never Say Dry cream lipstick, and this is Jack Peacher. This is Never Say Dry creme lipstick, and you have all the information here. Italy, and you have this is cruelty free, and then it has all the ingredients list here. It has 3.5 grams of product, and this one is retailed at 499 rupees. So this is how the lipstick comes in this bullet cute packaging. So it's not magnetic, but the packaging is cute. And then you have the lipstick. As I said, it's in shade 08 Jack Peacher, and this is the shade I picked up. I didn't have anything like this. I have a lot of pinks, but I wanted something different. So it's actually creme lipstick, so you can see it's kind of glittery one, but that's really nice. It has light tint of browns and very little pinks in it. So yes, this is the one thing we have is this Louis and Luth Atomic Silver Face Gel. This is a 50 grams product. Aloe vera gel, silver leaf, potassium sorbate, phenoxyethanol, glycerin, purified water, and this is cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free. And it says imagined on a sunny morning in Barcelona by Louis and Luth, and when applied directly to required area, it provides intense hydration, reduces dryness, calms and soothes the skin. So this is retail at 1299 rupees, which is really expensive, and you have all the details here, and you can see how it's really pretty. So this is a face gel, silver face gel, which you can use to hydrate, and it also provides intense hydration. If you are having dry skin, it soothes the skin, so that's really nice. Let me open it. Let me see how it smells. You have this lid. So this is how it is. It's very crystal clear, and I just applied a little bit here. Let me see. Oh, it's very watery kind of thing. It's really nice. It soothes, as it says, so you don't need very much to be applied. You just need very little, so it's really nice. So yes, that's the second one. It's already it started raining in the place where I stay in Hyderabad. So my skin has already started becoming dry because it's cold now. Summer has already passed on. So I think this is really a nice addition to my skincare now. So this is the second one, which is really expensive actually. This is of 1299 rupees. So that's our second product. And the next one I see is this little cute jar. I love these kind of cute packaging. This is from APS Cosmetofood. I think we already had one of the APS makeup remover / cleanser. I used it. I really liked it. And this is this exfoliating olive scrub. So it comes in this kind of packaging, and the color is like this. Let me see what it says. It doesn't have any information actually, it just says its name. So that's something I don't really appreciate. Handmade tasteable, handmade It says it's tastable handmade organic skincare, but it doesn't have any manufacturing expiry date, so that's something not I would be happy of, but still, because it's tiny jar, I can finish it soon. And this one is of 80 rupees for 20 ml. Smells like olives, and this is have the consistency is, it's nice. It's not harsh. When I see it, feels like it's harsh scrub. No, it's kind of very smooth scrub. So yes, this is the third product we have got of 80 rupees. And the next one I see is from the brand called Chronocare. I have been wanting to try this range from Chronocare since they launched. This is the Forest of Bengal range, which is vogue in Indies. This is shower gel, which is sulfate free, mineral oil free, paraben free, silicone free, and this is a tiny bottle of 35 ml, and this is of 140 rupees, which is really expensive. So this one says it's of 140 rupees for 35 ml, and this one is of 80 rupees for 20 ml. So I think this is very expensive, because if I spend 250 rupees, I get a full size of Body Shop body wash. But yes, because it's sulfate free, mineral oil free, chemical free, paraben free, so maybe it's expensive, but the packaging is nice. Let me open it. It smells nice. It smells of jasmine. It's really nice. So this is how the shower gel is, and that's a nice addition. I really like tiny products, travel size, because you get to try them if they're good or not, and then you can decide to purchase or not. So that's our next product. Next one we have is this Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Turmeric Cleanser, which deep cleanses and soothes for combination skin. This is manufactured in March 2018. This is not for sale, but it says it's 20 grams product. And here we can see this is of 57 rupees for 20 grams. This is the turmeric cleanser. So turmeric is really good for your skin. It helps in clearing out your skin very good, and it's also good for oily skin. Last product, which is again from Sugar Cosmetics. This is a Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer Classic, and this is a new launch of their collection of the new launch nail lacquer, and this one is full size, which is of 199 rupees. This is of shade 64 Pop the Purple, and this is really pretty purple. It's really nice. So this is 199 rupees, which is a full size. These are all the products I got in my fab bag for the month of June. I got products worth of 2200 plus, so it's really nice and worth it for this bag. And if you have not tried, you can go ahead with this one, because you get to try a couple of skincare, and then you also get a makeup of makeup, and then you get a nail lacquer. And if you want something like this, you can go for this bag. It's really nice, and I appreciate being getting 6 products in this bag, so that's really nice. So it's a big thumbs up from my side. So yes, this is all I've got. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.